Hello and welcome. If you're trying to download and install free fonts on your Samsung phone in 2026, you've probably noticed that many tutorials are outdated. They either show options that no longer exist or recommend paid fonts only. In this video, I'll show you a method that still works and lets you install stylish fonts on your Samsung without spending any money. Stay with me until the end because there's one important step that many people miss. If you skip it, the fonts may not appear in your settings and you'll think the method doesn't work. I'll show you exactly what to do so everything works the first time. Samsung has changed the way fonts are installed over the years, especially with the latest One UI updates. Because of that, many older videos are no longer useful. But don't worry, this guide is made specifically for the current Samsung software available in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know how to download free fonts, install them correctly, and apply them to your phone in just a few minutes. You don't need root access, a computer, or any complicated modifications. Everything can be done directly from your Samsung device. I'll also point out a few common mistakes that prevent fonts from showing up after installation. Avoiding these mistakes will save you a lot of time and frustration, whether you want a cleaner look, a more modern style, or simply something different from the default